Frank with Blackstone Leasing and Management here at 639 Elm Street, Unit 2F, Woonsocket, Rhode Island. Second floor, 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment for rent. Start our video tour right when you walk in. Windows here. Looking out to a shared porch. Electric stove. Stainless steel refrigerator. Double sink. Countertop and cabinet space. Off the kitchen, you have a small bathroom with a shower tub, vanity, toilet. Straight ahead, the living room, pretty spacious, big windows, plenty of natural light, hardwood flooring, fresh paint, high ceiling. Off the living room, you have bedroom number 1. This could fit a queen set, possibly a king. This does connect to the second bedroom. Also could fit a queen or a king set. I'd like to schedule a viewing at 639 Elm Street, Unit 2F, Woonsocket, Rhode Island. Click that show module link at the bottom of the screen. Pick the time that best suits you. Or if you'd like to beat the rush and apply now, click apply now. Fill out the application. It's Frank with Blackstone Leasing and Management. Thank you and have a great day.